Kinafi Jiben. Middle Eastern cheesecake. A dessert from Israel. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. To make the syrup, combine sugar and water in a saucepan and place over high heat. Stir. Bring to a hard boil. Add lemon juice and boil for 2 minutes. Add butter and flour, water and remove
Step
from
2.
heat. 2
Set
very
aside.
shallow baking pans are needed for the following steps, one 10 inches in diameter and the other one somewhat larger. Step 3. Pour clarified butter into the larger baking pan. Place over medium heat. Place the Kinafi noodles over the butter and begin separating and shredding them. Using 2 forks, turn them over occasionally.
Step 4.
The aim is to cook the
Arrange
noodles
half the
slowly.
noodles over the
Have
bottom
them
of the
absorb
smaller
butter and
baking
become
pan.
golden in color.
Press down firmly.
The process will take
Spread
15
with
to 20
cheese.
minutes, smoothing it out with a spoon dipped in water. Arrange the remaining noodles over the cheese. Country Reports. Press down
Culture,
firmly again.
countries,
Bake in a
travel.
350 degree